Hi, we are at Expo Seguridad México 2025 and we are here at iStatTrack with Teresa. She's going to show us a lot of devices, like the best-seller devices that she has. Thank you so much for the opportunity, Teresa.
Oh, it's our pleasure. Hola, soy Teresa. We are iStartek's from China and founded in 2015 and specialize in the GPS tracker producing. Yes. So firstly, iStartek is a factory in China, and most of our GPS tracker integrated the protocol in RedGPS already. Okay, this is the latest device, is VT300L. It's a 4G plus 2G GPS tracker and combine the Bluetooth function. We already integrated some Bluetooth sensor, such as the temperature and humidity sensor, and also the Bluetooth view sensor. Okay, and also this one has multiple outputs. You can get 3 digital inputs, 1 output, 1 S232, and 1 wire. So this one can be very suitable for the projects. Okay.
That will be like the best characteristic, right, of this device?
This one is our new arrival. So with the latest technology, is this one. This is our VT100L, the classical GPS tracker. So this one we use the cocktail 4G module and also the cocktail GPS module, and it supports from 9 to 100 wide range power supply. And here you could see we can also connect to SOS button or the microphone. And also this one can support the view monitor.
Okay.
Yeah, and we also have the customizable version which support S232 port.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah. Okay, and then we own version. Like this one is a basic tracker, and with the IP66 waterproof, 4 pins for the basic tracking, and the price is very good.
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
Okay. And
so this one is waterproof, right?
All of the vehicle tracker are IP66 waterproof.
Okay, perfect.
And then I would introduce our 4G AI dashcam. So as you could see, there are fixed 2 cameras, front one and in the indoor one. And front one comes with the ADAS function, and the inner one comes with the DMS function, such as when the driver falls asleep and there is a voice reminding.
Or if the driver is smoke, right?
Yeah. And also we have the external and camera can be extended. We have 2 channel, 3 channel, and 4 channels. Okay. And this one also have the S232 function. And more important, this device is high resolution.
Okay.
Both of the 2 camera, that is 1080 pixel.
Wow, that's a lot.
yeah, exactly. And also we have a new design which is very interesting. Let us show you.
Remember, all of these devices are also integrated with RedGPS platform.
Yeah, exactly. So this is the new design of the GPS tracker for elder or for children. When you go outside, you just put it out, and you can get a lanyard and here, and also you can get like GPS
like a watch band.
Yeah. So you can so it's a wearable, and here it has the SOS button, and here to show you the time and the signal strength. Yeah, and when you go home, for the elder, sometimes it's not easy for the USB charging. Okay. So that's why we made this, just a moment, please.
No, it's okay.
So we made this charging station. You just put it here, and there is magnetic. So it's easy to touch the charging pin. And also, when there is some emergency situation, they can directly press the SOS button here.
Okay.
And meanwhile, this is a Bluetooth loudspeaker. So you can connect to your Bluetooth and play the music.
Okay. Yeah. That's a very cool and interesting. You can be like listening to music while charging the watch, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you for showing us all your devices. They are all integrated in RedGPS platform. So thank you, Teresa. It's a pleasure.
It's a pleasure. Have a nice day.
Yeah, you too. Thank you.